Welcome to Anaplan's Trade and Promotion Accelerator demo. Today we'll be walking through some of the initial steps needed to set up this accelerator and also familiarize users with its functionality. We'll be going over some different examples of how users can leverage this accelerator to drive higher net sales and raise gross margins by providing insights on promotional planning and spending. Business leaders can leverage Anaplan to ensure that they are consistently targeting the right customers in the right location with the right products. With the Trade and Promotion Accelerator, users will be able to set high-level promotional budgets on the fly, based on historical data, then continue to fine-tune each budget by region, customer, brand, or campaign. Also, Anaplan gives users the ability to manage multiple planning versions and scenarios that will update and illustrate impacts all in real time as changes are made. The first dashboard that you will land in upon download is the application setup dashboard. You'll find a number of informative items to help understand certain elements of this accelerator, which will provide guidance during the configuration process. First, we will need to set up personal access rights to the demo data within the model. This demo data will assist users in familiarizing themselves with the model functionality and its ideal use cases. To grant yourself full access to the model and the preloaded demo data, navigate to the Settings tab and click on the Users option. Once here, you will locate your user profile and make sure that the model role column is set to full access. As a workspace administrator, your profile will automatically default to the full access user role. However, as you add additional users to your access list, you'll need to ensure that their access is likewise set to the full access option. If desired, you'll be able to create additional user roles and fully customize each user's profile to limit access from certain data elements within this model. Create additional user roles under the Roles tab and further customize these profiles by modules, versions, lists, and different actions. After familiarizing yourself with the model and its functionality, you're now ready to clear the demo lists and metadata and begin configuring the model to fit your organizational process. By selecting the Clear Model option on the Model Setup dashboard, you'll run a process to clear the demo lists and metadata from the model. Once completed, you will begin populating the lists and their hierarchies to meet your business planning needs. Now that you have cleared and reconfigured your lists to match your organizational structure, let's set up the historical promo spend by navigating to the Prior Year Historical Spend dashboard. Here, users will enter historical spend by region and by product. This data will drive high-level future and forecasted sales coupled with growth rates and any promotional overrides, which will be configured later on in the modeling process. Next, let's navigate back to the Setup dashboard to configure the model parameters. By clicking on the Setup Parameters button, users can follow the necessary steps to further configure their model parameters, including time, users, and its contents. At this point, we have completed the initial model setup and are now ready to start configuring the regional budgets along with individual campaigns setup. Navigate to the Home tab where we will launch the Geo Budget Setting dash. Here we will see that our historical prior year spend will filter through by region and by product to drive our initial high-level forecast. By configuring a by-product growth rate, and any specific product overrides, Anaplan will automatically redistribute our high-level geo budget down to the regional level. Again, we can adjust these regional budget sets with any regional overrides, as well as utilizing Anaplan's hold and override functionality. Once the geo and regional budgets have been set, navigate to the region budgets set to further configure each promotional budget down to the lowest sub-region level. Again, users can utilize Anaplan's hold and override features to fully customize each budget from the highest geo level down to the lowest, most granular sub-region level. Now that the regional budgets have been configured, navigate back to the Home tab to launch the Sub-Region Campaign Management dash. Here's where you'll manage existing and create new campaigns at the sub-region level, and assign campaign brands, product SKUs, and campaign locations. Once finished, you can adjust brand spend by location to meet regional budgets previously set. I hope that this brief demo was able to assist you in better understanding the configuration process and model functionality within the Trade and Promotion Accelerator. If you should have any additional questions or concerns, please feel free to contact our applications team by emailing apps@anaplan.com or by posting any inquiries on the Anaplan Community Forum. Thank you for your time and enjoy your new Accelerator.